I could have got something cheaper, but I wanted something robust. And the switches that are in there, I've already got one or two knocking around the shed. With being within the industry, I've got one or two like that, so if ever it decides to go a little bit iffy, then we can always... Oh, do you know, my hands are getting terrible. That's it. I can always change it. So that's it. 1 foot switch. Total cost, what? £10 for this one. We've got from Screwfix, I think it was about £6, that's 16 quid. And your cable, now this is Nexon's cable. I've used that simply for being all over the floor. It's rubberized, but it doesn't have to be. Again, I just happened to have this left over from a job, and I was too hard to cut it down. There's about 5 meters there, and all I've done, stuck it on 2 bits of wood, whacked a hole in it, as you can see there. See my finger sticking to it, and then what that does, then I can then get rid of that. And park it up there. Up there it is. Yeah, and that's it home. Okay, so where are we up to? Right, well, I'm supposed to have done some things for my young nieces, and unfortunately I've totally fell apart on that one altogether, I must admit. It's been a complete and utter disaster. One part of it came out, which is that bit. I've got to settle it all off and finish it all off. There's one end that didn't come out quite square, but I can deal with that. What I plan to do with that now is, because this is just end glued, there's nothing actually holding this yet at the moment. But what I intend to do now is I intend to drill through here with an 8mm, because this is what, about 16, yeah, about 16mm. And put dowels in, and then obviously, like, it all wants sanding up, and then the idea of it is then it'll go on the base at the bottom, and it'll have one at the top, and the bottom will be chamfered down, and the top will be chamfered down as well. This will stay natural. The top and the bottom are going to be like a bit of a blackened colour, and then I'm going to line them. But I've got to prepare the bits that went wrong and get them sorted out. And what I need to do with them is I've got to rig up me Aldi sander, and get it done. But for now, that takes care of the ones. What I wanted you to show is the foot switch arrangement that I've done. Hope it's been of use to some people. If you like what you see, great, subscribe and keep in there watching. I don't put things up on a regular basis. I do try, but it doesn't always work out. So what we'll do now is we'll say ta-da on this video. If you've got friends that are interested in this sort of thing, push them my way to my channel. That's Phil's Workshop. There might be something on there that might be of use to you. You might see something that you want a bit of information about or what have you. By all means, give me a shout and we'll see what we can do. But I will say there are some people out there which are a little bit more what shall we say, better at doing videos than what I am. What you see is what you get. I don't edit, I don't alter or anything. It is what it is. So thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now from Phil's Workshop.